Hi, welcome to WP Chief. This is a quick step-by-step tutorial on how to add a WordPress shortcode to any of your pages or posts. First, make sure you have the shortcode. In my case, I use a Contact Form 7 shortcode. Then go to the page or post where you want to insert the shortcode. Click on the plus button, then search for shortcode and click on the shortcode block. You will then see a new shortcode block with a text field. Enter your shortcode into the text field. Then click Update. Click on the red marked icon to see the shortcode in action. You'll then see the output of the shortcode, in my case a nice basic contact form. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, and check out our other videos.